Hi, this is Vincent from the locr team. Today I'm showing you how to create a geomarketing campaign using the locr batch tool. It makes personalized route maps or local maps from your own address data. The batch tool is completely secure, so first you must log in. Here is where you can manage your projects. Let's create a new one. You can choose a Navi map or a local map with 1 or up to 5 destinations. Firstly, give the project a name. Now, upload a data file with the postal addresses of the campaign recipients. And finally, upload the destination addresses. There can be just one or several destinations in the data file. The next step is to check that your data files will be interpreted correctly. Match the address fields in your data to the right batch tool categories. Do this for the destination data file as well as the recipient addresses. There are 2 fields here which we need to assign manually. Now we're ready to move on. This is where the batch tool looks for the exact locations of the addresses. Large data files may take a while, so you can ask to be notified when it's ready. A green tick will show up at the top when the process is complete. The addresses have all been found, so we can go to the next stage. It's where you can decide what kind of route there will be for each recipient. It can be fastest or shortest driving route or a walking route. We're going to select shortest driving route. The batch tool is automatically calculating the between all the recipient and all destination locations and assigning to each recipient the nearest one. This will be the one that shows on their map. The green tick has appeared to show that it's finished. And we are ready to customize the appearance of each map. There are many options to choose from, like size and style, or you can change the colors of the routes and icons. Let's make them blue. There are many styles of icons to choose from that will show the location of the recipient and their nearest destination on the map. And we'll make it the same color as the route. You can upload your own custom icon, such as a brand logo, to show the destination location. But for now, we will just use one of our standard ones. We are ready to get the batch tool to create all the maps. And again, a green tick will appear to tell us they're ready. There's the green tick, so now they're ready to download. The maps will be downloaded via your web browser. It's as simple as that. Look, all different. This is what you can do with the locr batch tool. Make personalized maps for your direct mail campaigns in an instant. Try it out.